Really risky trade today. If you're looking at the graph here, we have space at 15.16, and as you can see, the momentum's picking up on it. It's going from the TTM squeeze oversold straight into the buying. The 30-minute chart, if you're looking closer, it's about to touch the yellow line, about to touch the purple line on the 30-minute. It's getting pulled to 1611 gravitational. On the 1 hour, it's getting pulled to 1672. Space is a really big meme stock, so there's a chance that it could rally up. If it goes closer to the pink line, it's going to go towards like 17, maybe even 18 today. Just a really stupid spike. But what I'm hoping for is at 1550. Looking at the 15-minute period right here, the yellow line has already crossed that purple line going up. I have a Fibonacci retracement right here just so I can get an idea of where the stock's going. So I bought a little bit early. I bought about $31 a contract. I think it's a little bit cheaper than that. But I have 40 contracts on space expiring tomorrow. It's right at $29. So, $2 times the 40 contracts I have, about $80 down. I sold my American Airlines because it was going down. It wasn't a win on there. So since I sold American Airlines, you can see I'm down $90 for the day. But if I am right on space, I believe this is probably going to go up to like I'll be pretty close to about $4,000. And so the reason I pretty much went all in on this is yesterday I saw unusual options activity. There was about 6,000. Not 6,000. There was about 3,600 contracts bought for May 22nd on $16. So that's a pretty big call. So in order for someone to break even on that $16 call, the price would have to go to $17 by tomorrow. So that looks like it could happen. In my point of view, it's not going to be really likely, but I can see the 1550 happening. And once again, I do believe the SPY is probably going to crash tomorrow, just because people are going to sell off going into the weekend. So I'm gonna day trade this one. You can see the yellow line or the yellow bars on the TTM squeeze are starting to slow down. So there's going to be a reversal here for the 1 hour. Looking at the 30-minute period, you can see all these red dots. So there's areas of pauses. And then right here, and these last 30 minutes, you can see there's these small blue bars. So what happens is space will start getting bought up, and then momentum will build. Going to the faster interval, looking at that 15, you can see it's already getting bought. And these blue bars are going taller and taller, which means the momentum of it getting bought is getting stronger and stronger. You can also see in parallel with that, we have the relative momentum index, which is, it's going from below 30 straight to above 30. So it's starting to be in the overbought area, which means the more it's overbought, the stronger the momentum on the squeeze is going to be, and the higher the stock price could go. Looking at that 5-minute, there's a bunch of red dots. We have these blue bars, really small buys. People are probably just scaling in for the day because they're unsure, what's going to happen today. But I believe in the next, 30 minutes to an hour, people will catch on that the SPY is actually not crashing today. So since it's not crashing today, they're going to start flowing in. I think space is going to be one that they're going to flow in because looking at the total volume scan, we can see that it's right around 2,700,000, which is it's not like super great, but for the first 1 hour of the market, I think that's a pretty good amount of volume. The supply, you can see, because space pretty much just went sideways for the first hour, pretty much got bought up. So from here on out, it should be going up higher. I believe, it's a little bit lower than what I have originally bought it for, but by the end of the day, it should go higher. So I'll keep you guys updated if I do make a win on space. Once again, I am all in, 40 contracts in space. So we'll see what happens. And all these expire tomorrow. So if you like this, you learned something, like the stream, click that subscribe button, and stay tuned.